friends, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to play around with this new palette I got. I recently ordered a whole bunch of items from Colourpop, and this is the first order I've ever placed with them. So never used any Colourpop before, and I'm really excited. I've always wanted to try them. I just don't do online shopping very often, and when I do, half of the time it doesn't go how I expect it to. I don't get something, or just something like that. And so yeah, but I was really excited to order from them. I just decided to go for it. I was looking at their website, and they do have some stuff on sale right now, and they also have like their summer collection out, or whatever you want to call it. This is the main thing that I got, the Sol and Mar eyeshadow palettes, and they looked so appealing online. Super summery, super tropical vibes, super fresh and color poppy, right? Color pop, pops of color in the color pop. I really wanted to try these out. One of them I am going to save for another video, but I really wanted to dive into the Mar palette and check out the colors in here, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swatch them for you real quick, just on my arm, live swatching. That was El Rey. And then we have Wild One. And Detour. Then we have Boozy. That was a really disappointing swatch. I'm gonna see if I can. Yeah, no, that's just how it looks already. So that's Boozy. And then we have Gridlock. Definitely one of the shades that attracted me to this palette. Followed by Sorbet. And then HWY or Hawaii, I do not know. Then we have Top Down and My Way. So that is the arm swatch for all of these colors. Most of them look really nice. Boozy looks so good in the palette, but in the swatch it looks a little bit sheer, as does Gridlock. That palette color is just so stunning, and then the swatch does not transfer quite as well. HWY or Hawaii, I don't know. That one translates so well. It looks gorgeous, and I really am excited to use that. I'm definitely gonna use it. And same thing with My Way. That one came out really, really, really nice. And Top Down looks like it might be a little bit patchy. I don't know. We will find out. Here is the palette out of the box. Metallic Moment. And then the back, you have all of the shade names. My fiance totally looked at it and was like, he was like, oh, are they watercolors? Because the pan size is so small, and online they do not make it look that small. And they legitimately look like Crayola paints, like Crayola watercolors or something that you would just, you know, dip your brush in water and then dip it in the little pan and paint with. Like, that is the literal size of them, and with the white background it just looks exactly like that, and I thought it was the funniest thing. But real tea, I'm excited to try these, so I'm not judging the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. I just thought it was funny that it kind of looked like a Crayola water paint palette. So I am going to start with the dark blue and the dark blue Detour, and I'm going to just apply it with this angled shadow brush. And I actually want it to be thinner. I'm gonna try this BH Cosmetics brush. There's a lot of fallout. All that. And then this. Powdery. And I kind of hate how uneven the crease lines are now because I went in with a different brush, but oh well. So I have that blue laid down, and now I'm gonna go in with a super fluffy shadow brush, and I am going to take that center of the palette shade Gridlock and just buff that into the blue closer to the inner corner. This one doesn't have like any fallout, virtually has no fallout. I feel like this one is applying a little more patchy than the blue, which is weird because the blue's matte and you would expect that to be patchy and this one to be smoother. So now I am going in with a new brush, and I'm going to take that shade HWY Hawaii right there, and still trying to figure out where I'm going to place this. So I'm just buffing it into the other two colors. And I'm also going to drag it out to that. Cool, that's nice and draggy. So now I'm going to just try to clean up the edge right there. Same thing on the other side with the Q-tip. I'm gonna really go in. I'm not going in with any extra product, but I just want to really blend this inner corner right here. I'm loving this weird ass look. Okay, I cleaned off this Storybook Cosmetics brush as much as I could. First gonna go in with this tiny Wet n Wild brush, and I'm not sure what color I want to use. I think I need to swatch them again. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with Sorbet, which is that right there. That one also has fallout and kickback, all of the above. To take that same color and drag it out a little further than the wing. Angled it up, made like a really sharp triangle. So I grabbed this dense fluffy brush, and I'm going in with Wild One, which is that shade right there, and I am going to buff it in this little triangle right here, hopefully. And I'm trying to avoid the lid area. I'm just going right into the crease without getting the eyelid. And I'm just dragging it into that blue, and then I'm gonna go over with one of the blue crease brushes and no additional product, and just blend those two together. I like that. I'm gonna add a little bit with the Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna add that same Wild One shade just to make it more of a distinct triangle right there. Then I'm gonna go back in, okay, and buff some more of that shade in there. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I am going to add a little bit of glitter to my inner corner and then come back with final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is how the final look turned out. I love it so much. It's so unique and fun and sparkly, colorful, so fun. So yeah, okay. Final thoughts on the palette. I like it a lot. I love the colors. I love most of the pigmentation. All the colors that I used were super pigmented and they transferred pretty well. So that is my first impression on the pigments. It does have quite a bit of fallout. Like, I really love the colors. Like I said in the beginning, the color story that they chose is just so beautiful to me. I love it so much. It's just so nice. Sorry guys, I was just randomly looking at all my Colourpop stuff that I got, and I have this glossy lip that I ordered from them in my jam, and it's like gold and shiny, and I figured it would look awesome with this. So I just wanted to pop it on really quick. I love the packaging for this. It's nice and sleek. Honestly, I thought the pan sizes were going to be bigger, but it's not a bad thing that they're smaller than I thought, because I never finished full pans of eyeshadow anyways, and I believe this was $12, so that's really affordable for 9 shades that you get in here. I guess it's really similar to the MAC, what's it called, like 3x3 or something like that, but super duper affordable. I really liked that matte shade as well as the blue. The blue was not patchy, but didn't come across the same way on the lid that it does in the pan. I do think the palette is a little bit heavy on the gold and warm shades, but I like that. I like those shades, and you can only do so much with blue, so I think it's better to be heavier with the warm shades than the blue cool tones. This palette was super nice, super great. $12. Honestly, I think it is a great deal for the 9 shadows that you get, and I will use all of these like in my makeup routine. It's not like these are weird colors that I just won't ever reach for. If I want a teal, I will totally reach for this teal because I love it so much. It really transferred well onto the eyelids. So I think that is all for this review. Comment down below, let me know if you have tried this palette, and if you have, whether you like it. You can also tell me some nice teal shades that are comparable to those, because thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this interesting or learned a bit about the palette that you didn't know before. Like the video if you liked it. Comment down below what you think of Colourpop, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!